Hello guys, it's been a long time since we post analysis on our page, and yeah, sorry for the inconveniences. So today we'll look at US 30 as always, and then try to give you some in-depth analysis on things that you should be looking for in the upcoming weeks in the FX market. Okay, so we have US 30 here on our chart, and then you can see there is some sort of bullish momentum in US 30, what that is currently happening now. So that was last week. We have momentum with what the bullish candlestick that close in the market. Okay, so now close in the market. Okay, so as we always start, or what we look at what the high value areas in the market that will mark off nicely. Okay, so let's look at the daily time frame. Let's look at the daily time frame. Let's look at the daily time frame, and then we can spot in some nice opportunity. Okay, so we look at the daily time frame. We can see how US 30 has been moving pretty up like this. Okay, but comparing this move to this move here, there's a little difference in it. Okay, there's a little difference in it. Okay, so there's more momentum in this move than this move. Okay, and as we already know, we have this as our impulsive phase, so we are looking forward to the next correction phase to price to finally push back to this level here. Okay, so let's see how we can break this down in the lower time frame, too. But not forgetting to, we have this level here too, that price can form something like this. Then we have this price can continue pushing up. Price continue pushing up with momentum. Okay, we never know what will happen. Okay, so let's just keep our eyes focused on the current price action. Okay, so let's go to the 4H. Let's go to the 4H, and we'll try to see if we can draw in some nice practice. Okay, we have 4H here, and then we have this high value area here. We can see how price broke this value here, this high value area here, broke it correctively. Okay, so this signifying on a reversal pattern for price to push down, push down. Okay, so give us an edge with this pattern formation. Give us an edge. Okay, so if we mark this side here, we can have in our nice structure, and then we can have in our nice structure here too. Okay, so what we're looking for in the upcoming week for price to push a little bit up with momentum to this level here, and we're coming down finally. So this one way that we'll be looking for US 30 to give us a move for us to enter the market. And there's one way too that we can also look at these two. Okay, there's one way too. We can have US 30 just giving us a nice push up in the continuing movement, because when we look at this level here, this is what all of our impulsive is, and we know even the price impulse trying to form another continuation pattern like this, and then we'll push up. Okay, so if we have price pushing down to this level here, if we have price pushing down with momentum, correctively to this level here, we can get our nice continuation flag to continue pushing up with momentum. So our next level that we'll be looking for US 30 to hit is this level in the market that we'll be looking for to hit. Or if not that, the only way we can wait for us to get more confirmation in the market is to just wait, and then we'll go to the 1 hour time frame. And we come to the 1 hour time frame for us to be sure, so sure. So more our bias on US 30 will be more for the bullish, because of this first impulse that we have here. We all know that anytime price impulse with momentum like to form another continuation pattern to push up. Okay, so this is what currently we are looking for it to happen. Okay, but not forgetting when we have this high value area here, that we are considering that price can probably correct and then push down with momentum, push down momentum to this level here. So for us to be more clear, we will be looking for sellers in this market. We need price to give us a push up to this angle, looking for candlestick confirmation, and then for us to be more confirmed, we can get some people can get a risk entry here then we can write it down nicely. Okay, and not forgetting to the other way around. This can just come from the third touch here and then finally committing to the upside. Okay, committing to the upside. For us to be sure to get a precise entry, let's wait for price to see how, either if it will break this level, form another tight continuation flag, then we can get an entry, and then we'll be in what, a nice sell to what, the downside. Or if not, we can have price to continue pushing up. Okay, pushing up. And then we can see the candlestick for confirmation. That's what currently happening now. You can see what currently happening now. So you can have what, your buys ready, then when you bring a nice profit, then you can continue nicely. You can have USDT just continue nicely with momentum and what, pushing up. So this is our view on USDT for this upcoming week that is coming up. Okay, so guys and girls, I'll keep you guys posted on any changes on USDT. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, so let's a quick review on gold. Okay, a quick review on gold. So we can see what gold closed with last week, what, with momentum in there. It's what, bullish momentum candle. Okay, so we have gold, we have our levels here that we're looking for in our old sessions that we did online. Okay, when you check to, you can have this nice move. Yeah, that what we forecasted that our gold will come toward these levels in the market that we are looking at. Okay, so let's look at the D1, and then let's look at the D1 and then check if we can get nice opportunities in the market. Now gold has finally moved toward the level to give us what, that third touch confirmation. So we have this, our touch, then our touch. We are looking for gold to probably will continue pushing up toward this level here, because when we look at it on a structure wise, okay, we have our first phase. We are looking for another continuation phase for gold to continue pushing up, okay, so when we look on the lower time frame, okay, or we look on what structure, you can see what gold giving us what, our first touch, second touch, third touch confirmation. So the next phase that we are looking for what gold to continue pushing up to this level that we have here. Okay, so let's go to the 4H, and then let's quickly draw in our nice structure. Then we can have a clearer view of what gold is, what is currently happening. You can see the structure that happened here, a nice reversal structure that happened here. Up in there we have this, and then this, okay, and this, and then this session, and then this session. So we're looking for what, the third touch to this level, but we didn't get that third touch. Okay, so that's possible. Okay, that's possible. So we're looking for the highest probability. So if it would have been nice if gold come to make the third touch to give us this first touch, second touch, third touch confirmation before finally what, pushing up. Okay, but that's the possible that we're looking for. Okay, and then what happened was this that happened. We didn't get a third touch, but we got a third touch in the bigger outer structure trend line that we draw. Given that third touch confirmation, we have gold finally coming to the upside. Okay, but there's one way too that we can also look at gold. You can have gold coming to this session, and then we're finally coming down to give us what, our nice third touch confirmation. And what, before finally we're committing to the upside. Okay, before finally committing to the upside. Okay, so let's guys and girls, we shouldn't forget anything. Always keep an open mind in the market. Okay, keep an open mind in the market. Okay, so either we can have gold moving to this session, and then we're moving down, giving us what, our third touch confirmation. We're faking people out before finally we're committing to the upside. So this one way that we'll be looking at gold, this one way we're looking at gold. So guys, keep your eyes open. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour and let's see what possible way that can play out. Okay, so we have this session here, and then we have this session here. So let's mark at this high value area here, and then we have this session here. Okay, so we're looking for the third touch confirmation, but we didn't get that third touch confirmation. But we'll go a third touch confirmation on the outer structure, the outer trend line that we've drawn nicely. Okay, so we have gold pushing up with momentum, and then we're forming this structure. So the only thing that we can be waiting for more confirmation to see if it will give us this nice continuation flag, and then we'll continue pushing up. Okay, then continue pushing up. Okay, but we'll look at what will happen when price gets to what these levels. That's how we'll look at it. So if price continue to move correctably to this level, it can give us a confirmation that our gold finally wants to come and push down to make a third touch before finally committing to the upside. So these are some of the few ways that I'll be looking on gold to move. These are the few ways I'll be looking on gold. So we can have this same corrective phase moving closer to this. We can have this nice kind of reversal pattern that we'll be looking for. Gold to give us for pricing. We're looking for a sell-off at this level. So this nice session can also extend. This nice session can also extend to these levels. Okay, but we'll just keep our eyes, keep you guys posted on any changes on it. Okay, so these are some of the ways I'll be looking at it. Or otherwise, we can get a nice continuation flag to continue pushing up. Okay, thank you guys again, and have a good trading week. And always remember to subscribe and like and follow us for more content of this. Always comment below. If you have any question that you want to ask or anything, you can just comment below. We'll be in touch with you and provide you all the access or all the answers to your questions that you have. Okay, have a good trading week, guys.